These lights are in a Freightliner Cascadia. It is a new Cascadia 2022. The similar years will be about the same. To take this out to get it replaced, this one is dead for whatever reason. Still getting voltage, but it's dead. There is a T25 screw in there, which, if you're not familiar, is one of these. It's a Torx bit, and here is the T25. It looks like that, and it says T25 right there. So you take that and you get the single screw out, and then you take a pry tool, and I've already messed this one up on the back. It doesn't really matter because it's getting replaced. You just pop that down, do the same on the other side, and the thing pops down. There's a tab right here on the back. Push that up as you pull it that way, and then it comes out. Getting this out is a little harder than it should be for absolutely no reason. There's nothing else holding it in. There's just that little tab, so you're gonna have to wiggle it out quite well. There's the part number if you need it. It is A22-73817-001, and this is revision E, which is quite a bit since A, which is usually the initial one, so they may have a slightly different variation of this. I don't have it yet, so this is where I'm going to end the video. But in order to replace it, you just push the new one into there, the new harness piece in there, and then take that same T25 and put that up into the ceiling and just crank it down. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.